Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Winter Garden, local and long distance movers near me. Our team of Winter Garden local movers helps people move within the city of Winter Garden in several ways. Our team companies experienced and knowledgeable locals who know the city like the back of their hands. We provide reliable local storage facilities, help with packing and unpacking, and even suggest the best restaurants or attractions in the area. We pride ourselves on being a full-service moving company that goes above and beyond for our clients. Moving out of Winter Garden can be stressful, but with our Winter Garden long distance 3 Movers team, you can rest assured that your move will be handled with the utmost care and professionalism, whether locally or long distance. We understand the importance of carefully handling and packing, which is why we use high quality packing materials even more. Our experienced movers take the utmost care in loading and unloading your items. We offer comprehensive moving solutions for long distance moves that include packing, loading, transportation, unloading, and unpacking. Also, we ensure that your belongings are safe throughout the journey, and we provide regular updates on the progress of your move. We believe in transparent pricing, so we provide our clients with upfront pricing that fits their budgets. Our pricing is competitive as we do not charge any hidden fees. We prioritize the safety of our clients. That's why we use modern and reliable trucks with the latest safety features. We also have insurance coverage that protects your belongings in case of any damages during the move. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Winter Garden moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.